Okay, good day, students. In last class I have started photosynthesis and I have told you some basics of the photosynthesis. So very first is photosynthesis is made up of two words, that is photos and synthesis. Photos means light, and the meaning of this synthesis is putting together. It means something is put together with the help of light. So what in photosynthesis is put together? Carbon dioxide and water put together. Where it is put together? Inside the leaf or inside the chlorophyll or chloroplast. And this method is helped, this phenomena is helped by sunlight, and as a result C6H12O6, which is called actually glucose, but it goes under polymerization and finally it forms a starch. Starch. So the definition of photosynthesis will be a biochemical process of manufacturing organic food from carbon dioxide and water with the help of solar energy inside chlorophyll containing cell is called photosynthesis. Here why we are saying is carbon dioxide and water. All of you know that you have already studied about this carbon dioxide plus H2O, it will form carbonic acid H2CO3 when no sunlight, no chlorophyll. But as we will put here sunlight and here we will put chlorophyll, then what happens? It will form C6H12O6, means glucose. So you can now see the importance of this sun and chlorophyll, means this sunlight and chlorophyll putting together this carbon dioxide and water to form what? C6H12O6, that is glucose, and this glucose will go under polymerization and it will form a starch. I think you are clear about it. Now, basic requirement of photosynthesis. Basic requirement is carbon dioxide, which plants get from atmosphere, and it is reaches to leaf with the help of stomata. Water plants are getting through soil and it reaches to leaf through root capillaries. Light plants are getting from sunlight and it is absorbed by this chlorophyll, and chlorophyll is present in the leaf in the form of chloroplast. So this is the basic requirement, and in your NCERT it is one question is coming, how will you prove that carbon dioxide is needed, water is needed, sunlight is needed, chlorophyll. So there are small experiments are there. So we will next class we will see those experiments. I will explain those experiments when we will join our school. At that time some practicals will be there. Then next important part is your steps of photosynthesis. Steps of photosynthesis. Actually, according to NCERT, these steps are divided into three parts: absorption of light, use of water, and reduction of carbon dioxide. But when you will go in bigger class, in those class you will see that photosynthesis is divided into two steps, two phase. One is light phase. Name is telling itself that it completes in presence of light, and dark phase it takes place in absence of light. When I will tell you about the chloroplast and chlorophyll, then you will that this chloroplast contains, there are two types of cell, grana and stroma. In grana light phase takes place and in stroma dark phase takes place. So this is elaboration form, but in NCERT book it is given in concise form. These two steps, first and second one, these two steps, absorption of light and use of water under light phase, and this reduction of carbon dioxide is under dark phase. So in next class we will see what happens in light phase and what happens in dark phase. Thank you.